Once upon a time, in a quiet village, surrounded by gentle hills, there lived a boy named Elio. Elio was not poor. He was not rich. Nothing was truly wrong with his life. And yet, he was always tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep could cure. The kind of tired that lived quietly inside the mind. Every night, when the village lights dimmed, and the world slowly fell asleep, Elio lay awake. His body rested, but his thoughts did not. They moved endlessly, from yesterday to tomorrow, to moments that no longer existed, and fears that had not yet arrived. People often told him, "You are young, you have time," but time did not quiet his mind. One night, when the weight inside his chest felt heavier than usual, Elio stepped outside his home. The village was silent. The moon hung low in the sky. Watching without speaking, without knowing where he was going, Elio walked down the old road at the edge of the village. There, beside a small glowing fire, sat an old man. His name was Devraj. He was known as the village storyteller. Devraj looked up, his eyes calm and kind. He said softly, "You walk as if you carry a heavy load." Elio replied quietly, "But I carry nothing." Devraj did not answer. Instead, he picked up a small clay cup and began to pour water into it. He poured and poured until the water spilled over the edge and fell to the ground. Only then did Devraj speak. He said gently, "This cup is your mind. It is not weak. It is not broken. It is simply full." Devraj turned the cup upside down. The water flowed away. The cup remained, still, light, and silent. That night, Elio sat beside the fire. Each time a thought appeared, he imagined placing it gently into the cup, and then letting it pour out. Not forever, just for now. The fire crackled softly. The night felt slower and lighter. For the first time in many years, Elio slept. When morning arrived, the village looked exactly the same. The same houses, the same paths, the same worries waiting. But Elio was different. His problems had not disappeared. His fears still existed. But his mind felt quieter, and quiet gave him strength. Before leaving, Devraj spoke one last time. "Do not fight your thoughts," he said. "Do not chase them away. Just don't carry them all at once." And so, Elio continued his journey. Some days were heavy. Some nights were loud. But whenever his mind felt full, he remembered the cup, and he rested. And the story says, "A peaceful mind is not an empty one. It is a mind that knows when to pause." And perhaps, Elio was never lost, just learning how to breathe again. Sometimes, we are all like this. We wake up tired, even when life looks fine from the outside. Our bodies move, but our minds keep running, holding yesterday, worrying about tomorrow, and slowly, we forget how to rest. This story is not about Elio. It is about that quiet moment when you realize your mind is simply full, not broken, not weak, just full. And sometimes, all we need is to pause and gently let a few thoughts go.